for today's intro, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. Today is going to be a weekend reset video. I've already done my closet, which is behind me. If you are interested in seeing that video, I uploaded that part on TikTok. It's going to be a unpack because I just went on a trip, so unpack and organize my closet with me. But on here, we're going to do a reset completely of my bedroom, the living room, the kitchen. Everything has been piling up. I got laundry to do. I was gone for a week, and then it was Thanksgiving, so now we got some catching up to do. We're about to get right into that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and leave videos. If you don't want to comment, text me video ideas on what to do on the channel. I'm pretty sure I'm going to try to get my bathroom renovation done, so be on the lookout for that video next. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Okay, y'all, so I'm not going to do much of a voiceover, but I'm starting in my bedroom. There, if you look right behind me, you'll see all of Axel's toys. And fun fact, probably about every other day or every 3 days or so, I'll unload that toy box behind me and bring it back to the living room, which you'll see in a little bit, where he has like a pool full of toys. I'll bring that back to the living room, and then I don't know if he's telling me just to worry about myself or get him a bigger toy box or what, but he will go and grab every single toy I bring out and put it back in the bedroom, even though he plays with like 2 or 3 of them before he goes to bed. But he has to have each one in there in order for him to go to bed. And I think that's just his way of telling me to mind my business and leave his toys alone, because he's still gonna go get them. I have to beat the mess out of my pillows because I have a dog who sheds and he has white hair, and I hate dog hair on everything, so I have to knock it all off. So that's why I beat my pillows so much, and also to fluff them. So unless I see something interesting that I want to talk about, this video is just going to really be a time lapse. A lot of people have told me they've enjoyed time lapse because it's something that they could just turn their TV on and the video plays in the background as they're getting ready or just trying to do a filler in the back. So I'm going to take y'all up on this one this week and just do a time lapse. So I'll be back if I see something that's funny, but if not, enjoy. The office stays like this 24/7. It still has the streaks in the floor since the last time I vacuumed it. So yeah, this table's gonna go for sale. Those are my lights. Don't really need them. And yeah, nothing gets touched in here. Nothing gets touched in here at all. Except when my dog gets sick and he decides he wants to throw up on the floor. So I need to get a shampooer in here and get that off the carpet. But other than that, this room stays the same, so there's not much that I need to clean in here. Now on to my living room. So last year we got the dog, or our dog, Axel. We got him a pool full of like toys, and that's where all his toys stay. Normally it's where the big Christmas tree is over there, but right now it has to be behind this couch. These things need to go back outside. Garrett brings them in whenever we have windstorms. So this is me just vacuuming the couch. Axel has white hair, as I stated earlier, so I like to try to get the dog hair off of everything, even though it's pointless because he's just going to go sit right back down on the couch afterwards, and the dog hair is just going to get back on the couch. But it's good to like try to not have it build up as much and try to at least tackle the couch once a week for vacuuming. So this is what I'm doing now. And like I said, it's pointless because he'll be on the couch later in the video, so... The camera quality here changes because my phone died, so that's why it might appear a little darker and contrasty just because it's on the camera, but thought I'd make that clear just in case anyone notices. And here's the finished product. See how I organize my closet, make sure you go over to my TikTok and check it out. Y'all haven't seen it since I tried the last organization, but I've changed it up, so if you're interested in that, go take a look at it. And yeah, I worked my wig off, y'all, so I have to close this video. I'm exhausted. Y'all, look, my hands sticking, my wig's like that. Anyways, child, if it's been sliding back this whole video, don't mind it. It's been a rough day. As you can see, I've been cleaning all day. I think it's currently like 8 something. I'm about to go to sleep now, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune into the next video. Love y'all, and bye-bye.